Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is another collabs video, and the two lovely ladies that I'm going to be collabing with is, first off, I'm collabing once again with Allia Beauty here on YouTube, and she has an Instagram channel. I have her accounts linked down below. And the other lovely lady that is in this collab is the girl in pink 21. I will have her Instagram linked down below in the description box, so please go and check out their channels, go check out their Instagrams, give them a follow. So our collaboration this time is we are doing a New Year's Eve makeup look. This is a look that I came up with here. It's very gold and kind of smoky. That's kind of what I picture whenever I think of New Year's Eve makeup looks. I think of smoky and gold for some reason. So that's what I went with, and I actually add a little glitter this time. And I really like how this look turned out. So yeah, today's video is just a tutorial on this look here. I'm not going to be doing any talking in this video. It's just going to be kind of a sit back, watch what I'm doing. I'll show you each product that I use, but I really feel like I didn't do anything too special when it came to technique wise, so I just thought today's video would be very laid back. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get started.